to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Carlyn, and go ahead and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications so you'll know when all my videos come in. So today I just wanted to talk to y'all to let y'all know about all my favorite products that I use for my natural hair. Now I don't use these products all the time, but they are my favorite ones that I like to use the most. So we're gonna go ahead and get right into it. And in no particular order, I'm just gonna tell you all the products. So the first thing is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner. That's a long name, but yeah, that's what the name of it is. And this is how the bottle looks right here. I've been using this since about, I think 2016 is when I started using it. This is the #1 thing I use for moisture for my hair. If my hair is dry, I'll definitely use it daily. And I do feel like that it helps with hair growth, and maybe it's the Jamaican Black Castor Oil in it because I heard that's supposed to help with hair growth. But when I was using this consistently, I saw a lot of hair growth. So I definitely recommend this product. So the second thing that I have is the Mizani Miracle Nourishing Oil. And I've been using this for, I don't know, maybe like 6-7 months or something like that. But I think it's so convenient because it's an oil that actually has a spray bottle. So when I use it, I usually don't spray it all over my head. I'll just spray it in my hands and then of course work it in my hair that way. But it's very, very lightweight. And it says here on the back, a luxurious hair treatment with natural oils and vitamin E, absorbs instantly. And it really does absorb instantly. Like when I put it in my hair, like it immediately absorbs. So it's not lying when it say that it absorbs instantly. It really does. And it says lightweight with 25 benefits, and like I already said, it is very lightweight. So if you need a lightweight oil that absorbs instantly, I definitely recommend this. I use this usually with every wash and go, you know, to like scrunch out the crunch in my hair. So the next product that I have is the Camille Rose Almond Jai Twisting Butter. I'm guessing that's how you pronounce that word, J-I-J or Jai, whichever one, however they pronounce it. But yeah, the main thing I like about this product is the smell. Like, it smells so good. It says on here that it's sweet almond milk and honey, so I'm guessing that's where the good smell comes from. But yeah, it does smell really sweet, but it still smells really good. It always moisturizes my hair really well. Like I said, it's called the Almond J Twisting Butter, but on the back here it says under the how to enjoy section, it says that it can also be used as a leave-in, and I've never tried it for a leave-in before. The only time I've used this is when I'm twisting my hair. So I did use this twisting butter when I did these twists right here. But yeah, like I said, it's very moisturizing. It smells really good. I think it would be good for twist outs, which I think I might try that with this one day and see how good it does. But I just already know that the moisture will be there because it's very moisturizing. So the next thing that I have is the iQNatural Jamaican Black Castor Oil. And this is another one that I kind of use to scrunch out the crunch before I got the Mizani one, because that's the one I mainly like to use now to scrunch out the crunch. So I usually use this to seal in moisture, which I think it's better for that because it's more of a thicker oil, and the Mizani one is, like I said, a lightweight, thinner one, and this is a thicker one, which is good for sealing in moisture. So not too much I can say about this oil. Like I said, I just use it for sealing in moisture. I got it from Amazon, and it also is an organic Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So yeah, if you need one, I recommend this one. All right, so now we have the Kinky Curly Not Today Natural Leave-In / Detangler. As you can see, this bottle is almost empty, and I think I have another one somewhere that I haven't thrown away yet that's like the same amount with this one. But that is the proof that this is a product that I use and that it works, because if it didn't, I wouldn't be continuing to use it. That bottle would be still all the way up here. But yeah, this is a very good one that works for me, works best for me for wash and goes. Actually, I don't think I've ever tried it for anything else other than wash and goes, but yeah, it works really good for wash and goes. It has great slip. It's moisturizing, smells good. Now it is a little expensive, but I do think that it's worth the price because it works really well with detangling and making a very defined, I feel like it helps me with a more defined wash and go. All right, so this is my favorite edge control. Like, this is the only one I use. Now, I know there's probably like a lot of good ones out there. There might even be one that I like more than this one, but I just haven't found it yet. But for now, this is working just fine. It lays my edges. Now, sometimes I do have like a little bit of like, you know, crusty residue in my hair when I use this, but that's probably just my fault because I usually don't rub it in that well. But I do notice when I do rub it in really good, then it doesn't leave any residue or anything like that. So I do recommend this one. It has a strong hold. They even have like different scents. This one is the sugar melon scent, and I have a small one of the pineapple one. This I just got this small one just to try it out, but yeah, they smell really good. It does smell just like a pineapple scent, and I don't know what sugar melon scent smells like because I don't eat them, but that's probably what it smells like. It smells like fruit. But yeah, I really recommend this one if you need a strong hold. So yeah, I recommend this one if you need to control them edges. So the next thing is, I know everybody's seen this big old jug of Xtreme wet line gel. I don't know if people are still using this or not, but you know, it still works really well for me as far as definition and hold. I do like to use this not by itself but with foam, which I'll be mentioning in just a second. But yeah, this thing is huge and it lasts a long time, and I don't know about y'all, but it kind of smells like Kool-Aid to me. Like, let me see. Yeah, I mean, to me, it kind of smells a little bit like Kool-Aid or something, but I don't know which flavor. But yeah, this is gonna last such a long time. It works really well and it's not expensive. So I do recommend this if you need more definition and hold, or you just, you know, want to try out a new gel if you never tried this one before. So now I have a deep conditioner, and this deep conditioner is the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair. Now I've recently just started using this one, but I feel like I definitely do see a difference in my hair after I use it, like with shine and more definition and just softer. So this one has no harsh sulfate, silicones, or parabens. And it says on the back here that it fortifies hair against future damage. Like, who wouldn't want to do that? Like, why wouldn't you try this to see if it helps fortifies your future damage? Like, come on. So yeah, like I said, after using this, I feel like my wash and goes are more defined. And it says here, which I didn't even notice this, it says it got the Reader's Choice Award. Well, it was the Reader's Choice Award winner for 2019. So I guess that kind of proves that it's a good product as well. So yeah, you should try it. So this right here has been my favorite shampoo for a long time. I only use about maybe like 3 or 4 different shampoos, but I definitely reach for this one the most. I've been using this I think for the same amount of time that I've been using the leave-in that I mentioned earlier, and I think I said that was like 2016, 17, 16 that I believe it was that I started using this, and it was just recommended by somebody who did my hair. Now when I said I was using this one and I said I felt like that I noticed some hair growth, I was also using this shampoo with it, and they're both, you know, Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore. So yeah, I guess it really strengthened and restored my hair because, like I said, I noticed a lot of growth at the time I was transitioning. So yeah, if you want to see hair growth and, you know, try to get your hair more healthy, if you feel like it's damaged or anything like that, I definitely recommend these two products together to use. My hair always feels clean after I use this, and I just feel like it's a great shampoo. All right, so the last two things that I have are foams, and I just wanted to do these two together because if you have been watching my channel, if you're subscribed like you should be, then you should have seen my video when I did a comparison of these two. I've been using the Lotta body longer than I have the Doux. I just recently started using this, maybe like, I don't know, I can't remember how long it's been, but it was sometime this year that I had started using this for my wash and goes, and this was like my #1 combo, which I'll be showing y'all soon. I'll be doing a video with the Lotta body and the Xtreme wet line because it's my favorite wash and go combo. So I want to show y'all my favorite wash and go combo. But yeah, I feel like this is really good for helping define the curls because when you put it in your hair, it just makes, you know, everything kind of glide better to get you to better rake your fingers through it, if you know what I mean, to get it kind of like soapy. And I feel like that soapiness combined with the Demon brush gives you a great wash and go. But it really does define curls, like it says. It really does tame frizz, like it says. Now, not 100% for me with this, but it does do what it can, and it says that it's for all hair types. And this is also popularly used for other things other than like wash and goes. Some people do it for like the perm rod sets and things like that, but I always use it for my wash and go, and I think that it works well, so why not? And as far as the Doux, I think it gives a really good definition and hold with your wash and go. Like, I'm not lying when I said that. Like, when I use this, the main difference I think that I saw between these two is the definition and hold that this one gave. So I'm definitely going to be using this one along with this one just to switch it up sometime, just to give my hair some variety. So that was all that I had to show you today. I hope you enjoyed these products. If you use any of these products before, let me know in the comments and let me know what you think about them, because I want to know if like I'm not the only one who thinks these are great products. And if you haven't tried them and you plan to, let me know that as well. I'll have all the links for these in the description box, so if you want to purchase them, I'll have them conveniently down there for you. But yeah, y'all, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye.